Hello everyone, my name is Aragison and today I'm going to present a mini capstone project which is based on a crime data on which I have to analyze the data of it with using MySQL and Python. So in this project, as I told you, it's a capstone project where I'm going to use Python. Using the library MySQL, I'm going to combine the MySQL database in Python and going to gain or analyze the data insights from that crime data. And first of all, what's our objective is I'm going to create a MySQL database. So as you can see here, it's my MySQL workbench where I'm going to import a data where I have already imported my data over here. And if you want to see that data, so here it is. You can see all the data over here. Where I'm going to do some analysis and gain some insights of it. So I have made the data over here, and now I am going to my Jupyter mini project, where you can see I have installed the MySQL, and after that I imported my MySQL and connected with my workbench with my MySQL workbench, where I loaded all of the data, host, user, password, database, which is crime, and for checking it, I have written over here checking the connection and limited over two to gain the two of the columns of the data to check if it is working or not. After that, I have imported few of the libraries like pandas as PD. So first of all, I want to tell you that basically pandas is used for data analysis. Matplotlib is used for data visualization. Plotly Express is which provides the scattered data. Seaborn, we can say it is a updated version or upgraded version or 2.0 version of Matplotlib. So after that, I have printed over here information of the given data. There I have executed few of my codes over here using pandas, and then after I got few of the data. Like over here, I have got that there are 499 columns and 13 rows, whichever I found out that there are 42 unique values in the crime code and unique values description of the crime code. So here is the combined version of it, unique codes and their descriptions. And after that, for data visualization, I have used the Matplotlib to show how crime occurs over time. Like you can see over here, from January to May, in the starting season of January, it is on the peak. The crime is on the peak of its occurrence over time, and after that, coming up to by like March and April, it's drastically down over here. And after that, using scattered data of crime events, you can see over here that at the region of latitude of 34.1 and between 34.0 latitude, and on the other hand longitude of minus 118.25, here is the data which provide us that it is the hotspot of occurrence of the crime, and down there it is the small version of it where we found out that on which location or which point of longitude and latitude how much crime occurrence is happening over there. So after that, I have installed Folium, which provides us the exact, like more enhanced version of map over here, which you can see over here. Like it's in the California, Los Angeles, where most of the crimes are happening over here. And after that, using histograms over here, I have distributed the victim stage, where you can see over here the 0 to 5 something is the highest number of crimes who are the victims of it. Basically, zeros are not the victims. Basically, those are the unknown stages of the victims. Okay, so the known for unknown it is around 82, and for the known at the age of 30, there are 80 of the victims. So on the basis of distribution of victim gender, the male victims are more in comparison of female, and the same over here is X. which is the unknown. After that, I have identified that on the street most of the crime occurs. So after that, I have made a pie chart, the status of IC, where the 447 candidates or the victims are in the status of IC, 27 are on A, 24 are on AO. Basically, these are the status, 4 state which is given in the data, and 1 is on the JO. Over here, we can see over here that the status of reported crime. After that, there are a few of the questions. The first question is the geographical hotspot of the reported crime. So we have found that the hotspot on the basis of map for the crime is the Los Angeles is the main hotspot of it. And after that, victim's age reported. So basically, in the zero value, there are above 90 frequency of the happening of the crime, and the age group of 23 to 35 is above 50 of the frequency of it, and some of the crimes has frequency less than 40, and the age groups are 6 to 22 and 36 to 80. It's asking about the significant difference in the crime rate with male and female victims. So where are the significant differences like male and female? Over here, the male victims are more committed to more crimes than females and ex-victims. More of it, like male's crime rate is above 250, female's crime rate is 150, and the X crime rate is 50. The X is the unknown. Where do most crimes occur based on their locations? As I already told you, it's based on their location, on the exact location. 800 North Alameda Street, the 14, 700 West, 7th Street, 11. On the basis of the data, I have identified or taken few of the insights of it, that these are the hotspot of it, crimes on the exact data, which can be used by the local publics and the policemen and the insurance company to provide the premium as per the risk taken over their cities, and the police to implement few of the tools over there. And then after, what is the distribution of reported crime based on crime? On the basis of crime code, section 330, like their section 330 is 82, 624, 74, and so on. After that, the distribution of crime report, I have all shown it in the diagram of using bar chart. So I have also shown on the bar chart that the distribution of the reported crime code. So as you can see, the 330 has the highest, 264 is the second highest, and so on. And from the above program, we have come to the conclusion that the crime code of the 330 test I already told you, it's more than 82, and the crime code of 624 has occurred more than 74 times. These are the crimes and the insights which I have taken from the data, and it can be used by the insurance companies, police, local public over there. So that's all from my side. Thank you.